neutral. Neutral, baby. Not natural, neutral. Not lightweight, neutral. Tia and Tamara, contoured. Fancy from the Jamie Foxx show, contoured. Brandy, contoured. Neutral. It just wasn't super bright colors. How would you describe 90s makeup, the 90s makeup aesthetic? The general public would describe it as subtle, lightweight, natural, especially when we're comparing 90s makeup to modern day makeup. But let's take a look on Pinterest. The majority of these looks consist of neutral eyeshadows, metallics, bold lips, and usually a matte foundation. Now, as a girl that actually wears makeup and is educated on makeup application and technique, I'm not seeing how this is drastically different from modern day makeup. Aside from the fact that, in general, we are more aware of the various products used to get the look. That's the main difference. People are aware. And because makeup is no longer a mystery, people fight with the idea that this lightweight 90s glam is the same glam of 2025. We're using the same amount of products. Honestly, they may have used more products in the 90s.
The reason why you guys like the 90s aesthetic is because it was light. Today's fashion and style is very heavy. A lot of piercings, a lot of tattoos, veneers, a lot of heavy makeup, a lot of contouring, a lot of heavy wigs and hairstyles and dreads and eyelashes and you know, just heavy. 90s fashion was very lightweight.
So who are we talking about exactly? 90s as an era or 90s from your personal account and your preferred taste?
You always wanted to look natural, just slightly enhanced.
People like her, non-makeup wearing people, will see images like this and be like, oh my gosh, her makeup was so natural. And it's literally a full beat, but okay.
If you had on a wig, it didn't look like a wig.
Whether it was a weave, tracks, or whatever, at that point in time, a lot of fake hair looked fake. It looked like a wig.
You like the 90s aesthetic because it was crisp, it was clean, it was fresh, it was lightweight.
Some people think that she was talking about the everyday woman of the 90s. Those words never came out of her mouth. She never said everyday. And if that's your personal recollection of the 90s, that's your personal experience. We can't put your personal experience onto an entire... A girl from Texas and a girl from New York and the 90s era probably lived completely different lives because of the regional differences, right? This just feels like another tactic for people, for the older generation, to shame makeup wearers. That's all. I have never seen a makeup girl complain about girls not wearing makeup. I have yet to see a tweet like, oh, you hoes that be makeupless and bald face in Target. I just can't stand y'all. Why are you makeupless and bald face in Target? That would sound crazy, right? People would probably hate you for that. You don't like makeup, you like a drag queen. That'd be the first thing a girl want to tell you when you look good. A girl that don't like makeup, you look like a drag queen. I'm like, this is drag. And if you're happy with your choice in life, makeup free, however, all natural, I don't need all that makeup. Why are you following makeup pages? Why are you under a makeup girl's post talking about some, that's too much? What's the bitch? Sorry. And then you go and click on the girl's page and she's not into makeup at all. Clearly, she's not a makeup girl. She don't like makeup. I don't need all that. I'm like, okay, girl, then why are you over here? It seems like what it is, you feel like you need to have some prize because you decided not to wear makeup because you're like, oh, well, I don't need it. And men are going to like me more because I'm not wearing it. And then when it happens the opposite way and you're like, wait a minute, you didn't pick me, choose me.
Pick me, choose me, love me.
He wasn't chose, so now you're mad? Well, lucky for you, this isn't the 90s, right? And we can just look up tutorials to elevate your look. Wow. I thought her smoky eye was real. Every time you saw these celebrities, they had a nice soft matte beat. You thought they woke up like that because you had no idea about the layers of makeup and skincare that goes into a look. But now that you see it all on TikTok, it makes you mad. And there were steps and tools and things that you needed to do that you are not willing to do. So now you're mad at the world. One of my other thoughts, soft is really an illusion. It's all about your application. Shit, really just taking your time. If you guys just learned that, I swear you'll be a hater turned lover overnight. People are saying Aaliyah didn't wear a lot of makeup. Naturally pretty girl, but Aaliyah wore makeup. And then the Aaliyah that you guys use as an example of like natural or lightweight makeup, late 90s, early 2000s Aaliyah, where she was really into her makeup. Y'all don't reference the tomboy era. Y'all talking about some, we need a resolution. Excuse me? Her face was beat. Tia and Tamera contoured. Fancy from the Jamie Foxx show contoured. Who else? Brandy contoured. Like, you have to remember that these actors, actresses, they are products. Disney is known for taking actors and actresses and giving a whole new look through with makeup and cosmetic procedures. Disney's not going to tell you that. Yeah, I think TikTok culture embedded in just regular celebrity social media. I think people are fatigued and they're tired of seeing the fakery. You guys are like, oh, they didn't have BBLs. Girl, they had BBLs. People was getting lipo. Implants, like, that's nothing new. Look at Pamela Anderson. That's just one. And implants, girl, I've been getting injectables for a long time. You guys should really watch Corinne Alou. She really she does these deep dives on all these celebrities and their life and their cosmetic surgeries and work. Girl, hairline lasered, whole new look. These management companies, these, you know, music industry, whatever people, they're gonna elevate them with makeup, cosmetic surgery, all those things. They weren't debuting it at that time. It was much more of a secret. They had y'all believing as consumers that this was real and there was no extra stuff. And it didn't make you feel better that they were open about it. It made you feel like, oh my God, that was really unattainable. I can't think of anything else to say on the topic. I think people they miss the mystery of an era of people, of celebrities. Because when they say they miss the 90s, they still like the celebrities of that time. They miss the allure of those celebrities because for whatever reason that seemed more real to them. Because I don't think they're talking about, because when they bring up the 90s, what are they talking about? Mostly the celebrities and what they looked like, not so much what the everyday girl looked like. Because what does the everyday 90s girl look like? And usually just say their mom, their aunts or something like that. But then they use pictures of celebrities. So it really can, I'm like, who are you talking about? I think at that time things seemed more real to them. Maybe we just have celebrity fatigue. Maybe you have influencer fatigue. Maybe you guys missed the days when people didn't feel like they were just as big as these celebrities and you have girls walking around with makeup on, looking like the ads in the magazine. You thought that wasn't real, and now you're like, oh, they're making anybody, and everybody feels famous, and everybody's doing things that are celebrity-like, and you just really feel left out. And it could be something as simple as makeup. You're like, oh, girls don't need a full face of makeup to go to the grocery store. I don't know why that was a recurring comment too. I kept seeing that people kept saying, oh yeah, girls will go to the grocery store with full beats, and I don't have to do that because I'm all natural. Who the hell are you talking about? Who's going to Tom Thumb with a full beat? And if you do see that one girl, that might be me, because I've done it before, go to the grocery store with a full beat. She probably had other stuff to do that day. We are multifaceted women. Sometimes you got to go to the ID place to retake your photo, and you want a damn good one, so you went and did put your makeup on. You did that, or you went and submitted your information for a passport, so you had your makeup on, and you went to the store later on. Girl, people have stuff to do. It's okay. Yeah, she took the time out her day to go and put makeup on. Oh my gosh, on TikTok, a video had went viral because this nurse was like,
cut out the ghetto antics. I hate to say it, but it's ghetto. You are literally going into work with lashes out to here, face in full glam, like you're about to go to the club.
And look at it. This mindset of it's always too much and you look like a drag queen and you look unprofessional is seeping into every avenue of our lives. Like, y'all are mad everywhere. Pick up a brush. Okay? You ain't gotta be running around hating people. Hopping in here to say that there's always been women who prefer to get glam and those who did not. There's always been diversity within the makeup world. Whether it be 90s or modern day, a lot of girls today still can't do their makeup and prefer not to do it, and that's okay. Most of the makeup tips and tricks and aesthetic come directly from the 90s. We still do these things. We still wear the lip liner, the lip gloss trends, the nude eyeshadows, soft glams. And I know you guys are going to ask, so if you would like to see a full breakdown of this iconic 90s supermodel glam, well, it's coming up. I'm going to edit the video real soon, so just hold on to that. I'm like, this is drag. I mean, I guess it could be, but like, if it's fine. I'm fine with it. I'm fine. I guess I'm fine with it. It's drag, baby. This is straight up draggery. It is. We love it, right?